In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox player not moving or can't move glitch. First, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Once you're there, search for any experience and launch any game of your choice. After clicking on the game, press the play button and wait for it to load completely. When the game opens, click on the Roblox menu icon in the top left corner of the screen and head into Settings. Here, look for the Movement Mode option and pay close attention to what it's set to. If your movement mode is set to click to move, you may have trouble moving with your keyboard. To fix this, change the movement mode to Default, which enables keyboard movement using the WASD keys. After switching to default mode, close the settings and try moving again. If the issue is still not fixed, unplug your keyboard from the USB port and plug it back in, then return to the game and test your movement once more. This usually resolves the problem for most players. That's it for this video. I hope this guide helped you fix the Roblox movement glitch quickly and easily. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more helpful Roblox tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.